Hello everyone. Now we are going to look at what is called an inverted hammer. Remember in the previous video we looked at a hammer whereby the head is up, but now we are looking at a hammer whereby the head is down. Now an inverted hammer, you are going to look for it at the bottom of a downtrend. In other words, price is going down, then it develops an inverted hammer formation. Then you stay on the lookout for change that is about to take place. Now, what does it signify? It signifies a potential reversal of the trend from downtrend to an upward trend or a sideways moving trend. The type of confirmation will determine where the direction is going to go. Now, if you are looking at an inverted hammer, remember previously in a downtrend you were seeing a lot of red candles with price that are moving downwards and downwards. Now in this case, an inverted hammer develops because you can see that buyers came in when the market opened and then pushed the price high up, and it went all the way up to the tip of the wick. Then the sellers came in and pushed the price down further. In the case of a green inverted hammer, you can say it is more bullish than a red inverted hammer. In this case, for a green inverted hammer, though the bulls won the day, they were pushed back far down by the sellers or the bears. In the case of a red inverted hammer, the sellers or the bears pushed the price down to beyond the point of the opening price to close lower. Despite that showing that sellers were more dominating for the majority of the trading range, it is interesting because previously the sellers were winning the days without much opposition. So here it might show you that the sellers are beginning to weaken. Now if you want to enter this type of a trade, you are going to look for a price trading above the range of the candle. In other words, above the upper part of the wick is where you are looking to see the opening or closing price before you can say this is going to resume in an uptrend. You enter in with a probability of lower risk and higher reward over a shorter period of time. So you should be able to open a chart and look and find where you have got inverted hammers and see what happened to the price thereafter. The more you can see it, the more you can confirm that this is such a thing and it does happen when in trading. Next, we are going to continue to look at more types of candles. So hope you have mastered this one, the inverted hammer. Now when you compare the inverted hammer with the hammer, you would obviously favor the hammer more than the inverted hammer because the closing and opening price are at the top rather than at the bottom. So an inverted hammer is less bullish when compared to a proper hammer which is not inverted. Thank you. Continue again by looking into other different types of candles.